Hi everyone, how'd you go yesterday? So today we're looking at the roadmap of our list building challenge, and we're moving into the fourth stage, which is all about tech and integration as well. So the best place to find out how to use your tech is go to the platform that you've decided to subscribe to, your software provider, because they already have libraries. They have walkthrough libraries as well. And hopefully you've decided to choose a paid version, because that will give you the tech support as well. Whenever I choose an autoresponder or any software at all, there's a few elements I always ensure that they provide for me. And one is absolutely must have 24/7 chat support, so that if I get caught up, if I'm not too sure when I'm doing anything, especially during a launch, I have a tech at my fingertips, so I can contact them straight away to get help. There's nothing worse than when you're doing a launch and you can't get any help. So it's the first thing I always look at. The second thing I always look at is making sure they've got a resource library. So they're full of walkthrough videos. So you learn how to use all the features that are available for you on each platform that you choose. That's really important for me as well. The next one is really important for me is how easy it is for me to use, because I want to be able to, if I do decide to outsource it to a contractor, if that contractor lets me down or I get to a position where maybe I need to take it over myself for whatever reason, I can quickly jump on board and do the work that I need to do. So even though we all talk about working in your zone of genius, it's also important to understand behind the scenes what's happening in all areas of your department in your business as well. Because if you don't understand and your finger's not on the pulse, how do you know if your contractors are doing a good job for you or not? Or maybe they're ripping you off. So that comes with business savviness and having a good understanding so that you can ensure that they're working effectively for you as well. The next tip I always look for when I'm choosing my software people is making sure that it's in my budget. So I don't go for all the bells and whistles. I just go for the features that I need in my business right now. I always calculate the yearly fees, not the monthly fees, and look at how much money I'm spending on that software package as well. Now, there's no point having advanced features if your business is not actually in that stage to use those advanced features yet. So that's just wasting your money. So remembering that whatever software package that you've got, you need to choose it from where your business is at the moment. That's really, really important. And then later, when your business grows, then you can upgrade to higher features in that software package. So I'm going to go through, today's example is about using convertkit, and I'm going to go through and give you a walkthrough of how you can tap into the technical support with the provider that you choose. Remembering what I show you is exactly the same, should be exactly the same with any provider. You'll go through their learning library to actually see how you put everything together, that list that has engaged subscribers waiting to buy from you at a later stage. Enjoy the walkthrough video. Okay, so obviously you have to sign into convertkit. So you've got to register for convertkit. They probably have a free trial or whatever. But once you get inside convertkit, you'll have this home page with these tabs across the top. So what we want to do first is we're assuming you've already created your lead magnet. So that's another topic. But if you have already created your lead magnet, that could be a checklist or something using Canva, you've already created that article as well. And you have uploaded it somewhere, whether it be Google or whatever, so people can access it. Now we've got to promote it. And the way that we can promote it is by actually growing our subscriber list. So when you click on the grow there, we can add subscribers in manually. Like say, for example, you have some subscribers and you want to add them in manually. You don't want to build landing pages and whatever. So you may be saying to them, for example, just DM me if you want this lead magnet and I'll send it to you. And then what you can do there is in Messenger or whatever, you can say to them, please give me your email address
so I can send the lead magnet to you. So there's that way you can do it as well, where you don't have to create any landing pages or anything, but it's a good way to test if your lead magnet is going to convert as well. So what happens there is, see the subscriber area here, you jump in your subscriber area. Yours will obviously be blank because you won't have any subscribers there yet, but you'll have all these subscribers here as well. And then you just add subscriber. So if I want to add subscriber, I just add my subscriber. It could be a single subscriber. You put their email and name, which they've given you, and then you give them a tag. That tag is very important because that's going to help all your sequences know who to send what to. So you can create any tag that you want to call it. So if it's about dogs, it could be dog walking or anything, but create a tag that's going to let you know what lead magnet they want to receive from you, okay? So you'll say that and you'll start building your list, okay? So you may have some friends who are happy to give you their email address and not even go through jumping on landing pages or anything. That's the simplest way to do it. But as your business grows, you want to send them landing pages so everything happens automatically, so you're not stuck on the computer doing that. So therefore we can create a thing called landing pages and forms, which are templates in convertkit already. So if you get stuck, you can go to learn here, and there's documentation that can take you to show you exactly how to create landing pages. So how to create landing pages here, what you can do here is you can actually watch the videos and see what they have to say. So they give you all the walkthrough videos that you need. So you would simply play this video. So we'll make it a bit bigger so you can see. When we play the video, it will start to take you through the whole process, step by step, of actually creating the landing page for you as well. That's how easy it is. So it's really good to go to that learn function and go through everything that the experts are saying, so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so go through that. The library's there for you. Use the library, and that's what I like about convertkit, because they're excellent at doing that. So that's your learning stage about creating your landing page. So let's just stop that video. Now let's go back a step. Whoops, we'll just get out of here. Let's go back a step now. And now we're going to look at how do we actually learn from the experts, because we always like to learn from the experts, don't we? How to now actually tag and hook everything up. So now we're going to learn now how to do automations and everything else as well. So let's just go back to the home page. This one here, we'll go back to learn, and this time we'll go into documentation again like we did before, and this time what we'll do is we'll want to learn of how to create a sequence. So the sequence is going to set up all those emails for you in the sequences as well. So here is scheduling and sending sequences in convertkit. So we'll go to that and we'll see what the learning library has to say for us. Okay, here is here. So here's our video here. All right, so we'll just see if I can find a video for you in this. So that this one looks like it's all content, but it explains to you step by step what you need to do to create your sequences. All the information is here. That's why I love this platform so much. You just need to know what questions to ask to find the information. And I think that's the missing jigsaw puzzle. With you not having the experience, you don't know what questions to ask. So again, and once you create your sequence, your next step after your sequence with convertkit is then obviously we've got to create an automation. So it's all automated, so you're not manually doing everything. So the first step is create your landing page, create your opt-in page, tag your opt-in page, create your sequences. Now we're going to hook it up with automation. So how to create automation. This is your email automation funnels, okay? So again, we've searched on troubleshooting disabled, how to create your first convert visual automation. Isn't that perfect? So let's go on that. Okay. And again, it may be a content driven, but again, you see it's step by step of everything that you need to do as well. So the information's there. And remember, your best friend to ask all of this information is your live chat. So when you're in ConvertKit, if we go back to the beginning again, subscribers will leave that page. And we'll go back to the beginning. And if we hook then onto, let me see for you, help, I think it's under your name. Yeah, it's under your profile name. You'll come to help. And this is where you have your live chat. And I'm saying you use your live chat. You know, they're here to help you. They understand that people are at different levels, and they're really here to support you. So, so what I'm saying is, I really, to put it in a nutshell, I think the biggest problem you've got at the moment is you don't know what questions to ask. And when you put things out on groups and things like that, you know, people are going to pull you in all different ways, and it's going to create confusion. Whichever platform you go with, whether it be ConvertKit or whatever, they'll have very similar. Make sure they've got a learning library, and you can do, now you know the progress, the process. So the process is one, you have to have a lead magnet already created, right? So that can be a PDF file or something around a topic that's aligned with your paid program or service that you're going to offer down the track, right? Once you've got your lead magnet, you can create that in Canva. Okay, then you've got to then move into a create your landing page and your opt-in form from the autoresponder that you of your choice, so that people can receive the lead magnet, and also so it can be delivered to them as well. So that's your second stage. The third stage, if you choose to do ConvertKit, then you've got to create sequences. And then from the sequences, then you create the automations. And all of that can be found in that library, just how to create automations, how to create sequences, how to create landing pages, how to create opt-in forms. So all of that is in your ConvertKit library. And you've got the chat to reach out and just take one baby step at a time. So just focus on your very first step. So your very first step. So I hope I haven't confused you more. I hope it was really easy, but please use the support team and the libraries of the people who are the experts in the software that you choose. Talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye.